Hi everyone, well I'm back. I just got finished making the video for my stay in bed stew. Oh, it's delicious. If you haven't watched the video, make sure you do. And now I'm making the dessert that we're gonna have after dinner tonight. And it's a orange creamsicle cheesecake pie. I don't know about you, but when I was a kid and the ice cream man used to come around with his truck ringing the bell or playing the music, I used to love to get creamsicles from him. I still like creamsicles. Nice creamy vanilla ice cream on a stick coated with orange ice. They're so yummy. So it's been so hot here in New Jersey. I mean, I'm talking a heat wave. I wish we didn't get copyrighted for every song we want to play, or I'd be playing that song. We're having a heat wave, but we sure were. Just last week, the temperatures have been in the upper 90s and 100. Very, very humid in New Jersey. It's been brutal. So I'd like to say our heat wave is over, but not quite. It's now maybe in the, I don't know, upper 80s. It's just the humidity is a killer. So I thought today I'd make a nice, refreshing pie. You don't have to bake it, and it's easy to make. So what do you say we get started? And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, press that subscribe. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel to grow. So what do you say we get started? The first thing I needed was, and I'll put the recipe down below for you, was 1/4 of a cup, I put it in here, of hot water. And then we need 1 envelope of the unflavored gelatin. This is the Knox original gelatin. 4 envelopes come in a box. We only need 1 envelope. So I'm going to put it in the hot water. And I'm going to whisk it around just till it's all dissolved. Not very much in there. I'm going to use a fork. There we go. We'll whisk it around. You just want to dissolve the gelatin, the powdered gelatin in the hot water. Okay. That looks dissolved to me. I'll put that aside. Now I need another bowl. So I'm going to take a smaller bowl. This is probably a good size. And in this separate bowl, I am going to put in here my softened 8-ounce block of cream cheese. Let me use this fork to get it in. Okay. Alrighty. I'm going to add to that 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and some vanilla extract. It's just a teaspoon of vanilla extract. So let me get that out here. Alrighty. It's going to be so refreshing. You do have to leave it in the refrigerator around 4 hours after you make it before you serve it so it sets. And now I am going to whisk this together till it's creamy. We get it off the whisk, it's sticking. Alrighty. So I don't know, what part of the country you're from, but are you having a heat wave like we've been having it? It's brutal. We have a little doggy pool we bought for my puppy Cinnamon, who just turned 1, and she loves it. She hops in it over the side. She's only 18 pounds, and she fetches her ball in there. She's funny, and she likes it. I think I'm gonna mix this maybe, I don't know, let me see how this goes. Yeah, this is much better than the whisk. It's getting nice and creamy now. Just want to make sure everything's combined. This is going to be a nice refreshing pie with a nice citrus flavor to it. Perfect for the summer. Of course, it doesn't go with what we're having for dinner tonight. That's our stay in bed stew. But I haven't made it in a while, and I was just in the mood for it, and I wanted to share it with you. We don't want to rush the summer. I haven't even gotten on my vacation yet, but pretty soon the fall will be here and you'll want to make that stew. So check out the recipe. All right, this is getting nice and creamy now. I just whipped it up with a fork. It worked better than the whisk. All right, looking good. All right, now I'm going to put this aside and I'm going to take the hot water with the gelatin that I dissolved in it. And I'm going to add to this 1/3 of a cup of orange juice. My orange juice has no pulp in it. So we're going to add the orange juice to that little gelatin mixture. And I'm going to whisk that to combine it. I'll use this whisk, it's okay. I didn't want to use a bigger bowl for just 1/4 of a cup of water. Seemed kind of silly. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna bring on over my cream cheese mixture. So now I'm gonna take a larger bowl. And I am going to put in the large bowl my gelatin orange juice mixture. I think I need a bigger spoon. Hold on a minute. Okay, so I put the orange juice and gelatin mixture in a larger bowl, and now I'm going to add to that the cream cheese mixture. These no-bake pies that you refrigerate are so easy to make. This takes really about 10 minutes to prepare. The hardest part is waiting the 4 hours while it stays in the refrigerator before you can eat it. All right, I'll mix that over there. Now I'm going to whisk this together. Okay. So I'll be going on vacation soon. I can't wait. Going to the beach, going to the Jersey Shore. And it will be crowded, I know, but I love the ocean, I love the beach, and I have a lot of fun on the boardwalk. We go to Wildwood Crest, and the boardwalk is miles long. It's one of the longest boardwalks, and it's so much fun. And they have the tram car. Watch the tram car. That's all you hear. Watch the tram car. You got to scurry out of the way. But I take the tram car a lot because it's a lot of walking to do. All right, this is all mixed up. Now we are going to add to this 8 ounces of Cool Whip or any whipped topping. Use this spoon again, and I'll add this Cool Whip to it. I know, I'm crazy. What can I tell you? It is what it is. Whipped cream is my favorite, but I have to admit, I do love Cool Whip. And to this, I'm going to add now 1 can. Now this is the small can. This is the 11-ounce can. of mandarin oranges, and I've drained them well. I'm going to now use a rubber spatula to blend all this together. Take the spoon out of here. Oh, this is looking good. Makes me want a creamsicle right now. Oh, so I'm just going to gently blend those mandarin oranges in with the cream cheese mixture, the gelatin, the Cool Whip. Oh, it looks good already. Now, I'm going to put this in. Well, you know, I have a pre-bought graham cracker crust. So let me grab that in a second. I just want to get this all combined. Now, I'm going to grab my graham cracker crust. I went the easy way. Just get a store-bought one. I know that the homemade ones with the melted butter and the graham crackers are delicious, but it's summer, it's hot, and this is easy. So let me just take this plastic lid off, and I'm sure you all know that this lid is supposed to be used later when you want to cover your pot. Okay, so now I am going to put this into the pie crust. I'm going to fold it right in there. Oh, look at that. And it's got the oranges mixed in with it. Oh yes. This is going to be delicious. Okay, now the recipe called for, and I'll put it down in the more box for you, it called for 2 of the 11-ounce cans of mandarin orange. So we are going to use the second can to garnish the top of our pie. You can't have too many oranges in an orange creamsicle pie, right? No. And we have a generous amount of filling, so it's not a skimpy little pie. I can't wait to have this. Okay, a little more. Yummy, yummy. All right. Now, wasn't that easy? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna try to get it around the sides a little bit. Very good. All right. Okay. We're gonna put this in our refrigerator for 4 hours till it becomes solid. Now, if you want to speed up the process, feel free to put it in the freezer, and that will make it harden a little faster. So that looks good. All right. Now, you can either put your oranges on it when you're ready to serve it, or you can put them on there now. So what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to hold off. I'm going to wait until I'm ready to take this out of the refrigerator, and then I'm going to garnish it with the remainder of the mandarin oranges. So I have a feeling it's going to be delicious, refreshing, citrusy, and you're going to love it. So don't forget to come on back in a little while when I do my taste testing, and I'll decorate it and put in a picture for you. So I will see you shortly. Love you. Toodles. Hi everyone, I'm back. Well, I'm in pajamas. What can I tell you? It's late in the evening. We had our delicious back to bed stew for dinner, and I made this delicious orange creamsicle cheesecake pie for dessert. So there's no way I was going to go to bed without having a piece of it. So anyway, I saved the 1 can of the mandarin oranges, and I drained them well, and I'm going to put them on the top of the pie on top of the Cool Whip. I think it'll just look nice up there, and it'll just dress up the pie a little bit. I prefer to put them on before I serve it so they don't get, you know, too watery while the pie is in the refrigerator. I think this is going to be delicious with the oranges inside it and on the top, and now you know why I didn't care about putting on these pajamas. The dog's ready for bed, and she sleeps in my room. She used to sleep in a crate at night, but no more. Now she sleeps on my bed. She sleeps down at the bottom of the bed, and in the morning she comes up by me and starts kissing me and licking me to tell me it's time to wake up. So I've been going to bed a lot earlier these days than I used to, that's for sure. See how nice this looks on top? I'll put a picture in. You can put them on, it's optional, but I think it's nice. It'll be more flavorful and it'll look nice when you serve it. There you go. And put a couple more on. I'll put one here and maybe one in the middle. What do you think? There, I think that looks nice. So let me move these over. They won't go to waste, trust me. Look at that. Very nice pie. Put a picture in. I'll put a picture in for you. So now I'm going to bring this dish over here and cut a slice. Oh yeah. Do the best we can. This. Can't wait to dig into this. Okay. See if I can get it out. First piece is always the hardest. Oh my goodness, look at this! Oh, does this look delicious? Part of the crust did stick to the bottom, and I'm gonna put some pictures in for you, but this looks so yummy. Let me give this a taste. It looks good. Creamy, very refreshing for the summer, a summer dessert. So here we go. It was definitely worth waiting up, coming to you in these silly pajamas I have to taste it, because it's really good. Look at that. Brings me back to all those days I ate all those creamsicles. It's very creamy. Very creamy. It has a little citrus flavor, but not a lot, because if you remember, we only put a little bit of orange juice in, and then we have the mandarin oranges. A little kick, just a little kick of a cheesecake, because we have the block of cream cheese in here. I think it's delicious. I really do. So good. So anyway, here's our orange creamsicle cheesecake pie. Make it. You're gonna love it. And it was super easy. I'll put the recipe down below for you. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Helps my channel to grow. So anyway, I'm gonna have this pie. Maybe even another piece. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, thanks for watching. I love you all. I'll see you soon. Toodles!